Hi, welcome to this new tutorial. Today we are going to talk about distinction between state and society. Let us start with the point number 1. The state is a political organization. Society, on the other hand, is a social organization and has within it all types of association such as social, economic, religious, political, cultural, and etc. Meanwhile, society has a two perspective, a broader view and a narrow view. It is broader when it is used to describe the whole community of mankind, and it is narrower when it is used to describe a small group of a village. Point number 2. Society is prior to the state. Society may have been born the day human life must have begun. But the state did not begin with the society. Perhaps it must have started at a later stage of social development. Therefore, human beings are social beings first and then political beings. Third point, being prior to the state, society is clearly a natural, whereas the state, on the other hand, is artificial because it is a created institution by the people. Therefore, state has a formal and legal organization with its body and its structure, whereas society is a body of an organization and it is not a formal organization as the state is. Next point, the state exists for the society in the same way as a means exists for its end. The state is therefore a means and the society is an end. The next point of distinction is the state is sovereign. No sovereignty means no state. On the other hand, the society is not sovereign. In fact, society exists without being sovereign. Thus, the state is supreme over all other organizations, institutions, and individuals within its boundaries. Therefore, sovereignty gives the state a separate and independent existence. Next point, the state has to have a definite territory. The state territorial boundaries are fixed, definite, and permanent. On the other hand, society does not have a territory. Its place of operation may extend or may get limited. Next point, the state has general rules of conduct called the laws. On the other hand, the society has general rules of conduct, but they are called rituals, norms, and habits. Thus, laws of the states are written, definite, and clear, whereas rules or rituals of society are unwritten, indefinite, and vague. And the last point, the state laws have a binding sanction. The violation of the laws of the state is followed by punishment, whereas the rules of the society, if violated, leads to social boycott. Thus, the state has the power and a force, whereas society, on the other hand, is the area of voluntary cooperation and its power is goodwill. I hope you have understood the distinction between the state and society. If you like this video, then do give us a like. Do share this video to the larger community of political science students. Please do comment and voice out your opinion. Do subscribe to the political science tutorial and see you soon in next tutorial. Till then, take care.